Here's the continuation of the voiceover script. Imagine walking out into your backyard, driveway, or garage after dark, feeling secure in the knowledge that you've got eyes on everything. That's what this incredible outdoor wireless light does. It illuminates a massive area with an astonishing 2,800 lumens of ultra-bright floodlight, giving you unparalleled visibility day or night. But it's not just about seeing better. It's about having peace of mind. The motion-activated feature is like having your own personal guardian angel watching over your property. Whenever something or someone moves within its wide 270-degree zone, the light instantly kicks on, providing a reassuring presence that lets you sleep soundly knowing everything is secure. And what really takes this product to the next level is its incredible live view feature. With a stunning 2K QHD resolution and an expansive 150 degrees field of view, every inch of your property is in crystal clear focus. Whether you're trying to spot potential intruders or simply want to keep an eye on your kids playing outside, this gives you the clarity you need. But here's the thing, it doesn't just stop at seeing better. The Tapo 2K Outdoor Wired also takes care of what happens after you've seen something. With its smart AI detection feature, the light can tell the difference between a human, pet, or vehicle, so you only get alerts for actual threats. No more false alarms keeping you up at night. The customization options are also worth mentioning. With the Tapo app, you can set schedules, adjust brightness, and even fine-tune activation triggers to suit your needs. It's got you covered no matter what time of day or night it is. But that's not all. This light is designed to last, with a durable IP65 rating that makes it weather-resistant, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged in the elements. And with its long-lasting battery life, you can enjoy peace of mind for weeks on end without needing to recharge. In terms of installation, this wireless light is a breeze to set up. Simply plug it in, download the Tapo app, and start enjoying the benefits. No complicated wiring or technical expertise required. But what really sets the Tapo 2K Outdoor Wired apart is its seamless integration with your smart home system. Whether you're using Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or another platform, this light will work seamlessly with your existing setup to provide you with a cohesive and secure living space. And let's not forget about the energy efficiency. With its efficient LED technology, this light uses significantly less power than traditional outdoor lights, making it a more sustainable choice for your home. Overall, the Tapo 2K Outdoor Wired is an absolute game-changer when it comes to outdoor security lighting. With its unparalleled visibility, advanced features, and premium build quality, you can rest assured that your property is safe and secure, day or night. So if safety and peace of mind are at the top of your priority list, get ready to experience a whole new level of security with the Tapo 2K Outdoor Wired. With its impressive specs, user-friendly app, and long-lasting battery life, this light is the perfect addition to any home. Click below to check out the best price for this incredible product. But wait, there's more. The Tapo 2K Outdoor Wired also comes with a comprehensive warranty that covers you for up to 2 years from the date of purchase. This gives you peace of mind in case anything goes wrong, knowing that you're protected by one of the industry's top brands. And as a special bonus, we've included exclusive access to our Tapo community forum, where you can connect with other customers, share tips and tricks, and stay up to date on the latest news and updates from Tapo. It's like having your own personal security concierge at your fingertips. So what are you waiting for? Order now and experience the ultimate in outdoor security lighting. The Tapo 2K Outdoor Wired is ready to revolutionize your home's safety and security.